Hi guys, I'm sysadmin SK. In this video, we are going to see the permission. In vSphere, we can give very diverse permission. You can give the permission on data center level. You can give permission on cluster level. You can give permission on vCenter level, host level. You can give permission on virtual machine level. So we can give every the object created in the vCenter, we can give the permission. We can give the permission on folder basis. If you have created one folder and you want to give the access to that folder only, you can give that permission also. So everything we can do with the permission with the vCenter. So, and in previous video we had added the user. We had added this vCenter into AD. So how we did it? You also know it. So if you gone with the previous video, you come to know how we can add the vCenter into domain, and after domain joining, you have to reboot to take the effect. And if after the reboot, if you are not able to access your vCenter, then how you can restart your services. That also I shown you in previous video. In this video, we are only concentrating on the permissions. Permission, we check all the permissions. So for this, just click on vSphere client, and there is the option called administration. This is the roles. This is the roles. You can create your own role, or you can create your own role like full access, half access, which access, SRM access, VMware access, which access you want to provide to the person as you needed you can. So what I'm going to create is I'll show you if you want to create a local user without a domain, then how you can create. I'll show you. Just you click on it, and now I'll take an example. The person is having L1. He is a L1 person, so I want to give him the permission as to view data center, only view option. So I will not allow him to do anything with the data center. No, I will not give the permission of data center. So I'll give the permission of browse data store. I'll give the permission. I will not provide the remove, and I will not provide a locate space. Yes, I'll provide him to allocate space if needed, and then I will not give any permission to him to remove and all. Okay. So in a distributed switch, I will not give him to modify, and I will not give a permission to add host operation. Sorry. So I will not give any permission about distributed switch. In ESX agent, I will not give anything. So in a folder option, I'll allow him to create and rename. These two things I'll give him access as an L1. And at host level, I'll provide him to access connection. So then hyper-threading, put into maintenance, power, and then that's it. Then we'll go for the permission option is also there. So I will not assign any permission to him to modify or something. So that is also done. Now we'll go for the storage view. I'll give the permission to storage view, only view. And VMware vSAN we have not created, so we'll not give any permission to him. In virtual machine, I will just give the permission to create, add or remove device. I'll provide change CPU, memory. I'll give all the permission regarding virtual machine. No, I will not give this. So I will not assign add existing hard disk. I'll assign add or remove. No, I'll change CPU count, add new disk, and then register, not unregister, only register, not remove. I will not give him to remove. Guest operation alias modification, guest operation, no, I will not assign any permission to him. Answer question, this sometime comes, so you have to. And configuring CD media, then console interaction, create screenshot, see more privileges. So install VMware tool also, of course. I'll provide him to power on and power off, of course. Test follower, no, nothing. I will not give this. I'll give the permission to reset the person. He can reset the machine. Now in provisioning, allow disk access, allow read-only disk access. Clone template, allow virtual machine to upload. Now snapshot creation, I'll give him. I will not anything to give him, and that's it. And Vcenter application. So yes, book, no, only monitor. So other things, code group, only create if needed, not modification. So in services, no, I will not give. Only these many permissions I am going to give, and I'll give him the other. Help L1. So you will be able to see the helpdesk L1 we have created. So what would be the username for them? For this, helpdesk L1 @vsphere.local. Because what we did is we have created local user. We didn't added the domain user. What we did is we have created local user. In the next after moment of time, after adding the other machines also, I'll show you how it works. So this is done. I'll go in a global permission. I'll add the user. I'll go with the admin.local, which is my domain, and I'll go with my name. So what I will do, so something, yes, it's what it is. It is doing something. So we'll check here. Something is going on, is moving. Just hold a moment. The refresh will get completed, then we'll go for the other services. So if you go in a role, if you go in a role option, if nothing happening, this server is hung. So something is going on, so we'll wait till the comes. So otherwise I'll just pause the video. Hi guys, so we're done with the refreshing. So what I will do, I'll just go and click on my domain user and just I'll check. So my sysadmin, this is the user I have created. I'm giving the full permission to him and propagate this to the children. So I'll do OK. So I'm having all the permissions. So what we did is, so this is the role. now what we want is we want to create an user. So for the user creation, you have to go to the user. Okay, and you have to create a one user with this permissions and all. So what we do is it help that L1 the password I'm providing. So this is okay. So we and okay, done. This is help desk L1. There is no. I have added this. So user is added. If I'll go here, and I can see my help desk user is available here. Now I'll go to the global permission, add vcenter.local. If I'll find help desk, yes, help desk L1 is available, and we have created a help desk profile also. So we'll just click on propagate and we'll OK. So we'll be having the user here. So now sysadmin sk at admin.local. It gets the full permission, and helpdesk also get it's a local user, it has its own permission. So both the permission will verify. So first of all, because I have given this him as administrator and he has a help. So first of all we go with the help desk. So we log out once from here. So as soon as we log out, so we'll log in first our help desk. Help desk L1 at vsphere.local and then password. Okay. So we are logged in with the restricted permission. Now you can see, I'll show you. See, right click on it. See, all are grayed out. We cannot add, we cannot create machine, we cannot do anything. Storage I can do, host profiling is done, tagging I can do. I will not do anything. I cannot delete anything. Vsan also I cannot do anything. If I'll go with this, then I cannot create virtual machine, but I can power on virtual machine. So in connection I can disconnect and connect. Power I can. Certificate I will not. Storage is not allowed. So if I'll click on it, yes, if you can check in virtual machine level, what I can do is, yes, I can power on, power off. I can install VMware tools. Snapshot I can take, but I cannot delete and all. I cannot migrate. Clone I cannot do anything. If I click on migrate, this permission is not to you. So you can see we can restrict the permission like this. So this you come to know. Now I'll go with the sysadmin, which is my domain ID. I'll go with the domain ID also. So my domain ID is sysadmin at admin.local, and the password of domain ID I have put it. I'll just go to sysadmin at admin.local. login is taking time. Yes, it's done. Client, yes. So I'm logged in with my username sysadmin SK. With this permission, I can do everything because it has everything access. So you can see I can right click. Oh, it's getting refreshed. I can create, I can add, deploy, everything I can do it because this have the full permission. I can go in a Vista client. I have all the access. I have these many access. I can go to the administration. Also, from this, if I want to create, if I want to add, if I want to create a machine, I can. If I want to assign some permission to someone, I can. I can create a new user. And everything I can do with it. So it's just refreshing. That's why it's taking time. So we'll wait till the page comes. So otherwise I'll show you everything. Just you can see I can do anything. I can go here. I can go here. If I'll go with right click because I have all the permission you can see, and I can do this. Add to this level also you can give the permission. If you want to give the permission to this folder, you directly go to the folder. You add the person whom you want to give the permission. The user will get only the folder permission, not other permission. When he will log in, he will get this folder only, and inside that machine only. He will not get other permission. So you can give a folder permission also. So everything is done. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll do something new. Be